If you are applying for jobs online, you have probably heard of Resume Worded and Jobscan. Both tools help you optimize your resume and improve your chances of getting past applicant tracking systems or ATS. But which one is actually better? In this video, I'll compare Resume Worded and Jobscan based on features, ease of use, pricing, and who each tool is best for. And for now, let's get started. What is Resume Worded? Resume Worded is an AI-powered platform designed to improve resumes and LinkedIn profiles. You upload your resume, and the platform provides detailed feedback on areas like impact, readability, formatting, and keyword usage. It also offers LinkedIn profile optimization tools and personalized suggestions to help make your application stronger. The biggest focus of Resume Worded is helping you create a higher quality resume overall. What is Jobscan? Jobscan is a resume optimization tool focused primarily on ATS matching. You paste a job description and upload your resume, and Jobscan analyzes how closely your resume matches the job posting. It highlights missing keywords, skills, and qualifications that recruiters may be looking for. The platform is designed specifically for interesting ATS compatibility and helping resumes rank higher during automated screening. Feature comparison. Resume analysis. Resume Worded provides detailed feedback on resume quality, including resume impact, writing style, achievement focused bullet points, readability, LinkedIn profile scoring. JobScan also reviews resumes but focuses more on keyword matching and ATS optimization rather than overall writing quality. Winner Resume Worded. ATS optimization. This is where JobScan shines. JobScan's matching technology compares your resume directly against a job description and generates a match score. It clearly shows which keywords and skills are missing. Resume Worded offers some keyword recommendations, but JobScan provides a much deeper ATS focused analysis. Winner JobScan. LinkedIn optimization. Resume Worded includes detailed LinkedIn profile reviews and optimization tools. JobScan offers some LinkedIn related features, but they are not as comprehensive. Winner Resume Worded. Job specific resume tailoring. If you apply to many jobs and customize your resume for each one, JobScan is the stronger option. Its keyword matching system makes it easy to adjust resumes based on specific job descriptions. Winner JobScan. Ease of use. Both platforms are beginner friendly. Resume Worded has a simple dashboard and provides feedback in an easy to understand format. JobScan requires a few extra steps because you need both a resume and a job description for the best results. For simplicity, Resume Worded has a slight advantage. Winner Resume Worded. Pricing. Both tools offer limited free access and premium subscriptions for advanced features. Resume Worded is often attractive for users looking for resume improvement and LinkedIn optimization in one package. JobScan may provide better value if your main goal is maximizing ATS scores and tailoring resumes for specific job applications. There is no clear winner here because it depends on your needs. Pros and cons. Resume Worded pros. Excellent resume feedback, strong LinkedIn optimization tools, easy to use, helpful writing suggestions. Resume Worded cons. Less ATS focused, keyword analysis is not as advanced as JobScan. JobScan pros. Excellent ATS optimization, powerful keyword matching, great for tailoring resumes to job descriptions, detailed match scoring. JobScan cons. Less focus on resume writing quality, some features require a paid plan. Which one should you choose? Choose Resume Worded if you want to improve your overall resume quality, if you need LinkedIn profile optimization, if you want writing and content suggestions. Choose JobScan if your main goal is beating ATS systems, if you apply to many jobs and tailor your resume frequently. Choose JobScan if you want detailed keyword and job description matching. Conclusion and final verdict. When comparing Resume Worded versus JobScan, neither tool is universally better. Resume Worded is the better choice for improving resume quality and LinkedIn profiles. JobScan is the better choice for ATS optimization and job-specific resume tailoring. For most job seekers, JobScan has a slight edge because ATS optimization plays a major role in modern hiring. However, if your resume content needs significant improvement, Resume Worded may provide more value. Ultimately, the best tool depends on whether you need better resume writing or better ATS performance. And that's all for this video. If you find helpful and useful, please consider like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.